Yo, YouTube, it's Creative Marcus, and I'm back here with another video. And this video is going to be a little bit different. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can, I'm going to show you guys how to edit YouTube videos with a cool app called Alight Motion. I'm going to show you Alight Motion. But if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want more content like this. And let's get started with the video. All right. So this is Alight Motion. It's on the Google Play Store. It's on the App Store too. Or if you're using an iOS device, if you're using the Apple phone, or right now currently I'm using Android, so it's on the Play Store for me. This app is pretty cool. This app This is not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to show you guys something. I think this is the home screen. The home menu. There's a tutorial menu. There's a projects menu, and there's a element menu. Right. All right. So what you want to do first when you get on, you want to click on tutorial, and there's a whole bunch of videos you can see here that you can use to start off. There's quick reference effect browser. There's a lot of things you can use here. Masking tutorial. There's a lot. There's a lot that could get you started with this. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a project. We're gonna name this project. We're gonna name it. All right. All right, so once you name the project, you want to click the resolution. I recommend you do it in 60 FPS. You want to make, I want to add this shape to the video, right? We're gonna add this. We're gonna add a plus. Now, there's a lot of cool things you can do here. Like you could, so you can like press certain shapes. You could add colors to it. There's a lot of things you can do if you want to create a channel intro. If you want more detail, I'll make another video on it. Just leave a like and I'll just make another video on it in more detail. So yeah, this is the arrow. So yeah. And just in case you want to add anything else, you would just want to press back. There's plenty of things you can do here. So click back and you want to click on painting. All right, edit shape. You want to add the width. You want to change the width. You want to play around with these settings over here. You can add your channel name too. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Hold up. So let's see this. Effects, bending, border, and shadow. So you want to add shadows, right? Add shadows right here. You want to put this around here. Start. Let's make the shadow a different color. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of settings you could play around with. And once you're done with it, all you gotta do is just they want to put, like, say for example you want to put your channel name. There's a lot of cool things you can do with this. You can make videos with this too. Like say for example you want to make a Creative Marcus. That's the name of my channel. Creative Marcus, right? So, and then when you're done with everything, you just want to click the check button. Click the check button and click here. Save to my elements. All right, save to elements. All right. So, bang. And that's it. Let's play it. Although it's not really good, there's a whole bunch of tutorials on this on YouTube you can use to navigate this app and things like that. But my name is Creative Marcus, and I'm out. If you're new to my channel, check my channel out. It's called Creative Marcus. You can just subscribe. It'll help me out a lot on this YouTube journey. Thank you guys for everything. Peace out.